I am being scammed by some of my favorite cricketers and actors, and that's really sad. Don't worry guys, at the end of this video, I'll show you how exactly you should trade in Forex or binary so that you can lose your money. Do you have any idea how much money people have lost in binary trading? In fact, even I fell for this scam 2 years ago when I had a huge debt on my head, and I saw this random dude on Instagram saying that, hey, you know what's the secret to my success and my Mustang behind me? It is binary trading. And I was like, oh my god, I'll take 1000 rupees loan, make it to 10x and just repay off my loan. Very simple, right? So I started with paper trading and I won all the trades. I kept on winning. Then I thought, I guess it's just time for me to start with the real money. So I went out in the normal binary trading platform, and within no time my wallet was zero. And then I started cribbing, oh my god, I lost all my money. I texted him saying that, can you please help me to make more money? And this was his response. And I'm not even kidding guys, this is a screenshot of the text between me and my friend where I'm cribbing that now I have more debt to repay. How dumb of myself, because I played with the money which I didn't have by taking a loan, by playing around this binary trading and stuff. And I can't imagine the same situation with so many needy people. They sell the dream of becoming rich and end up losing more money. I really feel bad for those people who are actually in need of money, and suddenly, the big cricketers or actors come and tell you that, hey, you know what, by doing binary trading, by doing Forex, you can become rich, and people actually fall for it because they always preach them, right? And they're left with nothing but empty wallets in the end. I really can't digest this fact that how could they even do that to these people? Binary trading got its name from a computer language called binary system, which only consists of 0 and 1. So basically you only have two options, right? It's either 0 or 1. Just like binary trading, it's either up or down, and hence the name. And also, do you know the fun fact about binary trading and Forex trading? That it is illegal in India. Yes, you heard that right. Most of the companies is registered in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, which is in Caribbean island, and they use some sort of loophole so that Indian users can use them. And in fact, some famous apps like OctaFX is not even in Play Store. You have to download using their APK version. Wow. And RBI has clearly given the list of those Forex trading or binary trading apps which are not supposed to operate in India. And in fact, there are companies like Olimtrade, OctaFX, which is the official sponsor of Delhi Capital. Of course, after seeing such ads, who wouldn't fall for this trap? Have you seen their ads on YouTube first of all?
I remember one day I'm getting $71,400 is a single day profit.
Oh my god. Like, can you imagine somebody telling that I earn some 5.85 crores a day? That's a proper hook or clickbait to just trap in the people who are in need of money. भैया घर में बहुत गरीबी है, कॉलेज जाने तक की पैसा नहीं है. अरे ब्रो, तुम लोग पागल है जो पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर रहे हो, जाके फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग करना भाई. इधर लिखा भी तो है प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑन द राइज. मेरा रेफरल यूज करो और ये ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो. पैसा ही पैसा होगा, पैसा. मेरा बात मान, लिख के बोल रहा हूँ, पैसा ही पैसा. Yes, this is actually the fact. In binary trading, the odds of you winning or the chance of you winning the trade is somewhere between 15 to 30%, which means if you take 100 bets, you will win 30 bets max, which also means that in the long run, you are going to become poor. Just think about stock market. There is buyers, there's sellers, and then there are apps like Zero, the Upstocks, which facilitate the process of buying and selling. But in binary trading, you are betting against the app. So basically, the app is your opponent. Do you think app will let you win and make more money and making loss for themselves? Of course, no, right? Treat these binary trading apps like a business. They are here for profits, and they'll only get profit when you lose money. Like, समझ रहे हो आप? And that's the whole reason why RBI has clearly stated it is illegal, and that's why people are shifting to Dubai. If you're a forex trader, I'm pretty sure you must be in Dubai by now, right? And also, if you illegally trade Forex or binary in India, you will have to pay a fine of 10,000 rupees per day or jail of up to 5 years. Yes, you heard that right. Now I'll be showing you some live trades on a binary trading app, and let's see if you can actually make money with your luck. Yes, it is luck because it's purely gambling. And I said that. In binary trading, you take a bet. Where will this blue line go? I'll explain you what. Let's just say they're up and down. Okay, I'll just tell you. Let's just say I choose up. in the time frame of 1 minute by putting $100. That is actually in a demo account, so I don't have to worry. And after 1 minute, if this blue line goes above the green line, then I'm at profit. I'll get $82. So if I put $100, I get $180 in total. Okay, so basically 82% profit, like they have mentioned here. Suppose if this blue line stays below the green line after 1 minute, then I lose everything. I don't get a single penny. Like, somewhat like easy money, right? Now I'll be putting in my own money in forex trading so that you don't have to. So come on. So, and also because it's comparatively more like gambling, I'll be asking some of my neighboring kids, or whatever is grammatically correct, to choose, should I choose up or down? So come on with me. Choose one. It is up. Now that one kid is chosen up, so let me just go to my USD account. Like you can see, it's $25, somewhere very close to 2,000 rupees, and I'll be choosing, let's just say $7. 1 minute. Yes, here you go, up. Yes bro, open a trade. This is the first ever time I'm trading in forex with my real money, so hope for the best. Yes, let's go, it's up. Come on. Yes, let's go. I guess I'll win. Woo! Let's go. First, probably it's beginner's luck. So let me just go ask one more kid and let's see what happens. Tishna, choose Marondo. Now one more kid has told me to choose down. Great. $7 again. Down. Open a trade. Oh, this is too much above down, bro. Like, let's see. See, just like 1 minute, right? Like, just like this, I got $5, somewhere around 400 rupees. So it just feels like easy money, but as you know, with the period of time, these things will make you lose, because your loss is their profit. Just remember that they are only earning when you go under loss. So do you really think the company wants you to make money so that they'll give from their profits? I don't think so. Anybody started a company for that reason, right? Oh my god, probably I'm in luck. Let's go. Oh shit. Stay down. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I'm just curious what happens if it stays in. Probably now I'll make it more like a game. So I'll just take 2 glasses and I'll throw a table tennis ball and let's see if that works out well. Yeah. Okay. That says up. There you go. Open a trade. Let's go. Yeah. Now I can actually tell there's a resistance here, all these things, but in 1 minute, what much can happen? Like, let's just say you can't predict in 1 minute, right? What's happening in the external world. So when if it's 1 minute, then it's purely gambling for sure, undoubtedly. Wait, are they actually making me win so that I trade more? Let's go. I'll put in $10, but this time I'll take my own instinct, okay? Own instinct. I won't ask anybody. I won't play any games. So I'll choose down. Let's go. Now what should I do? Anyway, I'll just take one last bet. I'll put in $32 and I'll choose down. It's very easy, right? Your hard-earned money is just blown into thin air, just like this. Now you clearly know that binary trading is a scam. And do you know what is not a scam? By hitting subscribe to this channel. And also share it with your friends so that your friends don't get scammed. Oh wait, was that technically correct? Never mind.